In number 6, we are simplifying a radical expression, the square root of 32. I'm going to show you a couple of different methods to solve that. We can take the number 32 and we can break it down into a prime factorization, which is 2 times 16. 2 is a prime number. We move on. 16 can be broken down as 2 times 8, and then 8 as 2 times 4, and finally 4 as 2 times 2. So we have all the prime factors, and we have the number 2 to the 5th power. Each of these are prime numbers, so I'm going to write it as the number 2 5 times. So if you learn the jailbreak method, if you remember that concept, if we take the square root of 2 to the 5th power, we have the number 2 to the 5th here. You need 2 of the number 2 to take 1 on the outside. So I can take a 2 out from the first 2 set and a 2 from the next 2. And that would leave 1 2 on the inside of the square root. That's by itself. Again, the jailbreak, it takes 2 to break out, but only one of those 2 survives. So we multiply 2 times 2, which is 4, and the other 2 is times the square root of 2. It stays on the inside. It would be letter B. And let me show you just one other method here. We are trying to break out a square root. So you're looking for numbers that are perfect squares. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. And after that, 6 squared, we would be too large for our number. So which is 32. The largest square root that goes into 32 would be 16. So I can write 16, or excuse me, 32 as 16 times 2. That is a perfect square. The square root of 16 is 4. I will write that on the outside of the radical, leaving the 2 on the inside. So in either method, you get choice B, 4 times the square root of 2.